Hi everyone, I'm Eden. This is my first YouTube video and it's gonna be about hair. This is me how I got this look. It's a one product curly hair routine with Cantu shea butter. Yeah, it is shea butter. I almost thought I got it wrong. Sleep conditioner. I've honestly been using this all year. I always use Cantu, but it's my first time using the repair cream and I love it. I feel like my hair's gotten healthier and I just bleached my hair. Someone's coming in. I can never record. Let's just get to it. Keep watching. You want to see how I got this.
My hair's already detangled and washed, so yeah, I just sectioned it off. I don't know, I don't really like doing my hair without sectioning it off because I feel like it just makes it harder for me to really apply it to every section of my hair evenly. So yeah, I use like a lot of product. You're gonna see me apply more as I go, but I just use my fingers to run it through my hair, and then I keep running it through my hair until I feel like all my hair is like really moisturized and saturated with this. Yep, so you're gonna see me do the same thing over and over again. So yeah, I'm gonna do the same thing with the top of my hair. So I like when the front of my hair is really defined, so I always make sure to brush it, well, comb it, because it just makes my curls look better and makes my curls a lot more defined. And because it's in the front of your face, you want it to look bomb. Even more products because, you know, I love this cream. Alright, so I got some heat damage up there, so I always make sure to section it off. You'll see me do it in just a second right here. Yes, I section it off and I make sure to finger coil it myself, because when I don't, it just ends up looking really damaged in comparison to the rest of my curls. Alright, that's basically it. Now I just scrunch up my hair before I finish, and that's all.
This is the final look. I usually use my pick to just pick the top of my hair to give it some volume, just like this. You can do whatever you want. Or you can like flip your hair upside down and do it that way too. Yeah, that's all. I gave it like, what, 3-4 hours to dry, and then it just poofs up. So that's all. Please make sure to like and subscribe and leave a comment if it's nice.